Welcome back to Seize the Day, viewers. It is officially travel day. We are about to head out to Galveston for Mariner of the Seas on a 5-night. But before we can head out, there's something we have to do first. Where is it? Gotta flip the magnet. So we are no longer sleeping off the adventure. We're heading out to catch some thrills. We stopped in Mississippi to get some gas, and look at this good boy just hanging out on the truck. Oh, I guess owner's coming back. I just thought I'd give you an update. We've gotten gas. We are getting down near Jackson, Mississippi. We decided to go straight down Mississippi across Louisiana and into Texas that way. It is 1:21 p.m. on Saturday, November the 8th. We are headed to Galveston for a cruise on Mariner of the Seas. I mean, nothing's really happened yet. I took a nap. So, that's what's happening. Stay tuned. Okay, viewers, we stopped in Madison, Mississippi, and we got some of the Lord's chicken. Junjun has had her fries and chicken sandwich, and now I'm going to have mine. And we're on the road, headed to or around Jackson, Mississippi. Welcome back, viewers. It is 5:33 p.m. on November the 8th, 2025. We have decided to switch drivers somewhere here in Louisiana. We've gotten gas, used the restroom, and now I'm going to finish driving us on the last 4 hours to Galveston. Okay, viewers, we have made it to the Holiday Inn Club Vacations Seaside Resort. We're heading up to the 3rd floor. Here we are up on the 3rd floor. Here we go. So we've got this first bedroom that's absolutely massive. Like, this is huge. And you got your bathroom with the double shower. And this is not even the master. Look at them full-size pump lotions. You're coming home with me. You have your welcome-in mirror. You've got your full-size big old kitchen. What's over here? You got your Whirlpool washer and dryer. And they have just renovated these rooms. Like, you can smell that it's freshly renovated. Here is the master bathroom. It has the double shower and a large soaking tub. And then we have all this going on. I don't know how you turn those mirrors and lights on. This huge toilet room. And then you have the master bedroom. Oh, and you've got your robes and slippers. And here's our view. They said the pool closes at 10 p.m., so we just missed the pool tonight. And last but not least, okay, viewers, it is 10:45 p.m. on Saturday. We've just driven down. We've carried all our stuff up 6 flights of stairs to the 3rd floor because the elevators are broken. And now we're heading out to Whataburger to pick up dinner. Okay, viewers, so we are going to have our Whataburger dinner on the balcony with the ocean. You can hear the waves crashing. It is 12:07 a.m. I almost said p.m. Here's our Whataburger. We got some fries. Oh.
This is mine because it's got ranch in it.
Oh. Well, they already divided it up. Fries and a burger.
Yep.
Huh. So, finna smash. Welcome back, viewers. I'm coming at you live from the bed. It is about 1:15 in the morning on Sunday, November the 9th, 2025. This is going to wrap up traveling from Tennessee to Galveston for Mariner of the Seas. Travel day wrap up. Whataburger was very good. 10 out of 10. Highly recommend. Parking lot situation at Whataburger in Galveston is pretty bad. But the food was good. So far, the room has been good, but we've only been here a couple hours. The beach vibes and everything, very good. I don't know. Everything's been good so far, except for traffic. But stay tuned for all sorts of activities tomorrow in Galveston.